Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a good day here. Wanted to give you all an update on GameStop. Again, I was going to do the update yesterday, but I had a power outage, so that was unfortunate for me and unfortunate for you guys because you didn't get my analysis. Unless you don't like it, then I guess you didn't miss much. But right now, we actually have a nice little setup here, a 1-2-1-2 setup for potential breakout at any moment. It could be coming because we've just been just hammering on this downsloping trend line. We're trying to get out of it. And I really hope we do, because if we don't, then you're going to have a massive break back down. It's just gonna be like a disaster. It's gonna be like hopes and dreams crushed, people out of a job. No, I'm kidding. You won't lose your job unless you mortgage your house and did something like that with GameStop. But hell, like I think there's an amazing potential here for Bitcoin to break out. I'm keeping a close eye here because we did have an upsloping trend line on the daily RSI, and it did break down these last couple days. And we don't want it to confirm too much, because if it starts to confirm and break down, then you could have a pretty severe collapse here in GameStop. But at the same time, what I'm, we'll take a look at market cipher in a bit. I want to explain the RSI here trend line quickly. Just a trend can confirm a move and a shift right in an asset. So you could just take a look here on the TLT. This is one that I was tracking for quite a bit of time, and you can see here we had a clear breakdown, and it confirmed down pretty. It confirmed with this move back up here, and that was your confirmation that it was not going to recapture. And after this point, it was almost like a sure bet that it was going to break back down. You can see the bonds melted down afterwards. And for GameStop, we don't want that to happen. We want it to stay above the upsloping trend line. And from this one, we had the downsloping trend line, and we broke out and we confirmed that we should start to move higher. It's just when, right? Everyone's got them call options. They're just waiting. So I can't give you a date, and that's unfortunate for you guys who are trying to make 20,000% on your options, but the move will come. It's just a when. So let's take a look at market cipher, and we'll take a look at the weekly. So weekly is still very bearish. Your red money flow, it's tough. Bearish dual band strength index numbers. Monthly ain't looking that great either. It's only when we start to dive into the smaller time frames, you could start to see that we got green. Okay, we got green money flow there, but bearish dual band strength index on the 2 day. The daily is also getting still actually still bearish as well, but at least it's not moving down. So momentum waves could be turning here. You take a look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see the momentum waves are curling up. So you got that going for you. But at the same time, when I was checking the daily time frame, you can see this upsloping trend line on the momentum also broke down here. So that's not really something I wanted to see. Could be, a shakeout, fake out, trying to scare people into selling before this big rally happens, but we'll have to see. Got some good news though here. Let's dive into the good news finally. So Wave Edge got a green cross, potential long signal here, triggering at the close today, and looks like we may have a nice setup for a breakout either tomorrow or maybe early on next week. So we'll be patient with it. I'll take a look at the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame actually has a green cross right now. So that's really bullish on the larger time frame on Wave Edge. Weekly, you had that green cross a couple weeks ago, and nothing really happened since then. And then you got that daily just now. Take a look at the 4-hour, nothing there. Take a look at the 2-hour, 3-hour, nothing really going on. And just more green crosses, potential long signals. Smart Money did buy the dip here, right around $20.40. Although it's just one buy, not multiple buys, not like this one, a heavy accumulation. So we saw heavy accumulation on this dip back down here on the 15-minute and the 12-minute. But until we really see that move up, I don't want to call in the low, right? But although I think we got a pretty good shot of having a low in and a move up, AMC is already starting to move up here. Could be on the verge of a big breakout as well. So I'm still holding my AMC position. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the analysis. And if you enjoy the video, leave a like, and you can feel free to join the Discord. The link's in the description. Peace.